that in it?
No.
Okay. Is it recording?
Now I just see hairs like floating.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
You have to say your intro.
Oh. Hey guys, it's Sugar Vampire 13 and we're at our friend's house. I'm here with my sister,
Hello.
Callie Seal 25, and Tilly and Aloe.
Again?
Yes. And we have one of their cute little kittens with us, and she's playing with my shoelace.
She just got spayed, and she's a little loopy still, and she kept laying in her toilet.
Which is the litter box, so we thought it would be funny to record it.
And she won't sleep. She will refuse.
There's another kitten named Luna, but they have to be separated, so she's in another room.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
She looks just like sits in there. She looks comfortable.
Yeah, but she like rubs her body in it.
She looks comfortable.
And there goes Alaska. I don't even think she's into it anymore.
She used to be like way more like, now she's just like, let me get in my
Oh.
Are you actually going to use that for the right purpose, Alaska?
Okay.
Why are you looking at me?
Oh, good girl, Alaska. Did you really use it for the right purpose, or she knows?
See what I mean?
That looks like my dog in our comfy bed. Alaska.
Does Luna even have a litter box of her own
I don't know.
in the room?
So, no.
See?
Looks like this is like a
See what I mean?
Alaska, this isn't your bed.
Luxurious.
Luxurious.
Pun intended.
No.
It's not a bed, you silly kitten. Should we move?
Alaska, we're going to have to vacuum now.
Should we move on to Luna now?
Mess that she made.
Yep, it's a disaster.
Okay.
All right, now let's move on to Luna.
She says bye.
Bye. Okay, now this is Luna.
Luna too.
She's my favorite out of the two kittens. Oh, hello.
Yeah, see, she's like really like jumpy on you. Like, watch, she's like just gonna like jump onto you. Like,
Oops, sorry.
she's like, yes, I will jump and sleep on you forever. Yeah, she's like really cuddly right now.
She actually slept with me one time.
She's having me lots of times. Dude,
Like
that's so
literally, she took off like half of my bed on the couch, and I had to scoot her over, but she kept rolling back to me.
Once I had to use the restroom, but she was laying on my stomach and purring, so I just couldn't. So I just had to pee for like an hour until I'm like, okay, you get off.
She's quite a character.
Yeah.
I love her so much.
She generally likes cuddling and she purrs a lot, but she's not usually this cuddling.
Well, she got spayed, so.
Yeah, she's still on the drugs. Aw.
She usually like doesn't really even like getting attention that much.
Yeah.
But she does like cuddling. But now she's like, oh, there's so many people to cuddle with. Oh my god.
She seems to like the spotlight too.
I want to zoom it out a little bit. Oh,
I did. It's
Looney Tooney. I would call her Looney Tooney.
Oh yeah, she does have a litter box in here.
Oh, yeah.
I used to call her Luna Mood, but